Hey guys, I'm so excited to share this secret with you. Here's how to keep your garlic fresh, fragrant, and germ-free for a whole year without it going bad. Hi, welcome to Clever Tricks. Look at this jar of garlic. I've been storing it since September last year and it's been a full year now. Yet each clove is still firm, dry, mold-free, and still smells as strong as if it were freshly peeled. I even took a few cloves and chopped them up, and the garlic flavor is still intact. The best part is, today I'm going to show you a few different ways to store it, all of which are incredibly simple and surprisingly effective. You can choose the one that works best for you, as all of these methods will keep your garlic fresh for a long time. The secret is in the second method. Let's get started. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language, comment below, and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Method 1. Preserving garlic with bay leaves. Prepare dry garlic. Choose firm and uncracked bulbs. I use a glass jar for preservation. Put a layer of garlic on the bottom of the jar. Put a layer of bay leaves on top. Add layers of garlic and bay leaves to the jar. Bay leaves have natural essential oils that help fight bacteria, prevent mold, and repel insects. When stored with garlic, it helps prolong the shelf life and creates a mild, pleasant scent. You can add a few whole black peppercorns to increase the antifungal ability. After filling, close the lid tightly and store in a dry place. The garlic can be kept for 3 to 4 months without mold or sprouting. I find this method quite unique, highly aesthetic, and suitable for storing garlic for quick use in the kitchen. Method 2. Preserving garlic with sand. Did you know garlic can also hibernate in sand just like ginger, potatoes, or carrots? I used to think that garlic would only dry out or sprout if left for a long time. But unexpectedly, with just a little dry sand, you can completely keep garlic dry and fragrant, without mold or sprouting, for many months. The method is incredibly simple. First, keep the garlic skin intact. Just wipe off the dust. Don't wash it with water. Where are you from? It's great to know we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Thanks for your support. Then prepare a cardboard box, plastic box, foam box, or a ceramic jar with a lid. Spread a layer of clean, dry sand on the bottom. Place the garlic on top. Continue to cover with a layer of sand, a layer of garlic alternating until full. The last layer must be sand that covers all the garlic. Cover the lid, put it in a dry. This is a small tip, but always gets compliments. The smell of garlic makes the dish more attractive, and with this quick peeling method, you can absolutely do it. Method 3. Preserving garlic in flour. Prepare a dry glass jar or plastic container. Pour a layer of flour about 2 to 3 centimeters thick on the bottom of the jar. Fill the jar with garlic until it is full. You can sprinkle a thin layer of flour on the top of the garlic, no need to cover it completely. Add a few grains of salt to increase the moisture absorption. Cover the lid, keep in a cool place, away from direct sunlight. The layer of flour at the bottom helps absorb moisture from the air and the steam released by the garlic, preventing the bottom of the jar from getting moldy. The garlic will stay dry and fragrant for about 2 to 3 months. Method 1. Preserve with baking soda and dry tea. Use paper towels or gauze. Take out the garlic, sprinkle a little baking soda and a little dry tea on the towel, wrap it up and tie it tightly. Where are you from? It's great to know we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Thanks for your support. Put this small bag in the garlic bag, squeeze the air and tie it tightly. Tea has polyphenols that help prevent garlic from sprouting and also absorb odors and moisture well. Baking soda also helps absorb moisture, preventing garlic from absorbing water. Garlic only sprouts when there is enough humidity and temperature. If it cannot absorb water, the garlic will not sprout. Hang the garlic bag in a cool, dry place. When eating, just open it, take out the garlic and tie it up. The garlic will not wither or sprout for half a year. Method 2. Preserve with rice. Place garlic in the middle of the rice bin, bury it deep and cover it with rice. Rice is a food used all year round in the house. If the rice is at risk of weevils, garlic contains allicin, a pungent smell, which will help repel weevils' eggs. Dry rice helps keep the garlic dry, preventing it from sprouting. The two support each other, both preventing weevils and preserving garlic. Very convenient. Method 3. Preserve with a black plastic bag. Prepare a black plastic bag and put the garlic inside. Then, take a piece of paper towel or gauze. Add 2 tablespoons of salt and a few slices of fresh ginger. Put everything on the towel, wrap it up and tie it tightly with a rubber band so that the salt does not fall out. Put the salted ginger bag into the garlic bag. Squeeze out all the air, tie the bag tightly and store in a dry place. This method can keep the garlic fresh for up to 1 year. Ginger has a spicy property that helps fight bacteria and absorb moisture. Salt also has a similar effect. The black bag helps block light, thereby preventing the garlic from sprouting. Even after 1 year, the garlic is still not spoiled. Method 2, doubly simple. First, keep the garlic skin intact. Just wipe off the dust. Don't wash it with water. Then prepare a cardboard box, plastic box, foam box, or a ceramic jar with a lid. Spread a layer of clean, dry sand on the bottom. Place the garlic on top. Continue to cover with a layer of sand, a layer of garlic, alternating until full. The last layer must be sand that covers all the garlic. Cover the lid, put it in a... This is a small tip, but always gets compliments. The smell of garlic makes the dish more attractive, and with this quick peeling method, you can absolutely do it. After peeling, put the garlic in an airtight jar, close the lid tightly, and put it in the freezer. This method can be preserved for 3 to 6 months. The garlic is still delicious, very convenient when needed. After each use, remember to close the jar tightly. The method is incredible. Preserving garlic with sand. Did you know garlic can also hibernate in sand? And just like ginger, potatoes, or carrots. I used to think that garlic would only dry out or sprout if left for a long time. But unexpectedly, with just a little dry sand, you can completely keep garlic dry and fragrant, without mold or sprouting, for many months, which can cause garlic to rot if it is too moist. The nicotine in cigarettes helps absorb moisture, keeping the garlic dry and preventing it from sprouting or rotting. Garlic will stay fresh for several months. Method 6. Garlic soaked in vinegar. Natural antibiotic. If you have a lot of garlic at home, don't let it wilt for too long and waste it. Try this simple vinegar soaking method. It's delicious and helps increase the resistance of the whole family, especially in the cold season. First, separate each clove of garlic, discarding any damaged, moldy, or dried cloves. I use Vietnamese garlic, small bulbs but firm and fragrant, very suitable for soaking in vinegar. Put the garlic in a large bowl, pour in water, and soak for about 1 hour. This little tip helps soften the garlic and make peeling much easier. After soaking, rinse with clean water, then peel. Large cloves should be split in half so that the garlic can absorb more quickly when soaked. The characteristic aroma of garlic at this point will make you want to eat it right away. Garlic is famous for its antibacterial properties, increases resistance, and helps prevent colds naturally, so having a jar in the house is a peace of mind during the cold season. Put the pre-processed garlic in a glass jar, about 400 milliliters. Add to the jar 1 teaspoon of salt, a little rock sugar to create a light sweetness, 300 milliliters of vinegar. A few slices of fresh chili if you like a spicy taste. Pour in cooled boiled water until the garlic is completely covered. Close the lid tightly, shake gently to dissolve the spices. Place the jar in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight. After 7 to 10 days, you can use it. The longer you leave it, the more flavorful the garlic will be, the more beautiful the color, and the richer the flavor. Stored properly, you can use it all year round without worrying about spoilage. So I have just shared some great tips for preserving garlic, a small ingredient but with huge benefits. Which method do you think is best for you? Leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. If you find the video useful, don't forget to like to support me. Share it with your family and friends so everyone knows how to properly preserve garlic and protect their health every day. And remember to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any great tips in the next videos. Subscribe to Clever Tricks. If you haven't already, there are so many more great tips waiting for you. Thank you for watching until the end of the video. See you in the next shares.